Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix camera distortion in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clean lens. After clean lens, clear camera cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search camera app. Now click on camera, scroll down, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset camera setting. Open camera, click on setting, scroll down, click on reset and again click on reset. After click on reset, camera setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix camera distortion in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.